Care, and I have some information for you guys. This is making my life a lot easier, so hopefully it makes your life a lot easier, especially if you're in the lawn care business, because you know what I'm talking about when it comes to mower blades and cleaning the mower blades off so that they can be properly sharpened and balanced. Because we all know that residual grass that gets all over it, that can make it tilt one way or another. It just takes a little bit to throw it off. And I don't know about you, but I've used paint scraper on these blades, and it just is almost impossible. It's a very tedious task to do that, and my OCD kicks in, so I have to have it clean. So I have, what you're going to need for this is obviously some gloves, steel wool, and you're going to need a rag, and the secret ingredient from the wellness store, Solumel. It's all natural cleaner, won't hurt you, and you'll see how well it works. And it's very easy. You can definitely see the blade. That blade definitely has grass that's stuck to it, and I can't get it off without putting a lot of time and effort into getting all that off. Literally, all you need to do is take your Solumel and just give it a spray down and leave that soak in. And basically, because it is grass and it's stuck on there, I'm no scientist or engineer obviously, but I think that the all-natural ingredients in this works with the grass and kind of helps loosen it up and make it feel at home and say, hey, come on home. Come on home. So after you let that sit for just a few seconds, take your steel wool and give it a good rub. Not a lot of pressure. I'm not putting a lot of pressure at all. Very minimal pressure actually. And I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but that stuff is feeling right off. And once we give that a good rub with the steel wool to try and get all that off, all that residual off, I kind of like to go back over it real quick. Take your rag, wipe it. Guys, that's pretty impressive. It took that stuff off in what, 15-20 seconds? Now that extra that's still on there, what I do is I go back and I'll hit it one more time just to loosen it up even more. And I'll even take paint scraper very gently and just go in here and kind of work it in to that stuff. And you can hear it just scraping that stuff off. And I'm not putting any kind of pressure on it, hardly at all. Just enough to get underneath of what's there. I mean, you can see, look, it's taking it right off. It's working unbelievably well. And just kind of work it in there. And then what I like to do after I use the scraper, or putty knife, whatever you want to call it, I'm just going to wipe that off. Because that stuff will, if it gets on your clothes, it'll probably stain. So, but again, go back in with the steel wool real quick, just to get any of the really stubborn parts broken loose. And again, guys, I'm going to have to give credit to the wife, because she's the one, hey, try this. I'll bet you this takes it off. Why are they always right? giving it the old once over. We're going to wipe it clean. And guys, I'm telling you, I'm totally impressed. So the one side I left, that's what it used to look like. And now this is what it looks like. And that took what? 30 seconds to a minute to do that with minimal effort? Guys, all-purpose cleaner, Solumel from the wellness store. Contact us, I'll let you know how to get it. So everybody, all you guys out there mowing, cutting lawns, putting in mulch, putting in landscape, hardscape, all you guys out there, I'm telling you, it works. When you want to take your blades off and clean them and sharpen them, this gets it down to back down to the metal, gets all that grass off. Great cleaning product, and like I said, it's all natural. No chlorine bleach, no ammonia, no formaldehyde, okay, this is a hard one.
It's phthalates, you idiot.
Phthalates, I guess I'm saying that right, and parabens. It's just all natural stuff. So you want to make sure, get you some, clean around the house, cleans anything. And that's from the wellness store, Solumel. Okay guys, all you guys out there doing the landscaping, doing the lawn care, you guys keep grinding and keep making some money, and we'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care.